Hello kids, today in this video we'll learn alphabets and numbers. So let's get started. Orange color. A, capital A for apple. A, small A for apple. Light green color. B, capital B for ball. B, small b for ball. Red color. C, capital C for cat. Small c for cat. Yellow color. D, capital D for dog. D, small d for dog. Grey color. E, capital E for elephant. E, small e for elephant. Light blue color. F, small f for fan. F, small f for fan. Dark blue color. G, capital G for grapes. G, small g for grapes. Dark green color. H, capital H for house. H, small h for house. Brown color. I, capital I for ice cream. I, small I for ice cream. Purple color. J, capital J for jug. J, small j for jug. Pink color. K, capital K for king. K, small k for king. Orange color. L, capital L for lion. L, small L for lion. Light green color. M, capital M for monkey. M, small m for monkey. Red color. N, capital N for nose. N, small n for nose. Yellow color. O, capital O for orange. O, small o for orange. Grey color. P, capital P for peacock. P, small p for peacock. Blue color. Q, capital Q for queen. Q, small q for queen. Dark blue color. R, capital R for rose. R, small r for rose. Dark green color. S, capital S for sun. S, small s for sun. Brown color. T, capital T for tiger. T, small t for tiger. Purple color. U, capital U for umbrella. U, small u for umbrella. Pink color. V, capital V for van. V, capital V for van. orange color. W, capital W. W for watermelon. W, small w. W for watermelon. Light green color. X, capital X. X for xylophone. X, small x. X for xylophone. Red color. Y, capital Y. Y for yacht. Y, small y. Y for yacht. Yellow color. Z, capital Z. Z for zebra. Z, small z. Z for zebra. So hence we have completed our alphabets both in capital and small letters. Now we'll learn numbers from 1 to 20. So first I'll take red color to write the first line. 1, O-N-E, 1. 2, T-W-O, 2. 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3. 4, F-O-U-R, 4. 5, F-I-V-E, 5. Next I'll take blue color. This is blue color. So after 5 it is 6. S-I-X, 6. This is 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. This is 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. This is 9. N-I-N-E, 9. This is 10. 1, 0, 10. T-E-N, 10. 1, 0, 10. Next I'll take green color. So after 10 it is 11. 1, 1, 11. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. This is 12. 1, 2, 12. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. This is 13. 1, 3, 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. This is 14. 1, 4, 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N, 14. This is 15. 1, 5, 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N, 15. Purple color. So after 15 it is 16. 1, 6. 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N, 16. This is 17. 1, 7. 17. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N, 17. 18. 1, 8. 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N, 18. This is 19. 1, 9. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N, 19. This is 20. 2, 0, 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. So hence we have completed our numbers from 1 to 20 along with the spelling. So I hope you like this video, kids, and if you like it, hit a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.